Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Metta, which is a very good tool if you like to flip your classroom. You'll first Google Metta and find it on the web, and then you will either sign in or use your Google account to sign you in. After you sign in, you will come to this page, and you will want to click on Create a New Lesson. What comes up is the title page. This is where you will enter the title for your presentation. You can either choose to do it now or wait till later after you've done your presentation. I'm going to wait till later. When you come to this page, one of the first things you might want to do is go to the Help. Click on there and it gives you step-by-step instructions. On the screen you have a choice of video, image, and text. You can use either one or all three. We now want to start creating what we call clips. Clips are each of the videos that you make, and when you put a lot of these clips together, it's called a mashup, which is taking several of the videos and putting them together to create one video for your students. You can also move the clips around and change the order just by clicking on them and dragging them. We are now going to add media to our clip. We're going to add a video for chicken videos. So I hit the chicken video box. Click that. It shows me all the different types of videos. And let's see, how about chickens hatching in an incubator? And it gives you a choice. You can either insert now or just collect. If you insert now, it inserts it directly into your video. If you just collect, it puts it on your little toolbar library. You go down here and you close. You come back and there's your chicken video. And now you can either drag it to the middle video and you have it there. And then you can add your text to it. Chickens. And that's how you put your video into your clip. Once I've chosen my video, I can also go down to the timeline and choose to delete the beginning or the end, or leave it as I've recorded it. Click on, I've already downloaded another video, so I just drag it over, and there it is. My text box there, and say feeding the chickens. And again, there's my timeline. I can use the whole video, or I can slide it and splice it here and take off a couple seconds there, and if I don't like the end of the video, I take a couple seconds there. There's one more feature I'd like to introduce you to, and that's to insert a quiz or a poll. Click on that, and up comes a box, and you can type a question in here. What to feed chickens? And then type your answers in here. One, grain, feed, pellets. Okay, there's your question, and you can show it or hide it. And it gives your students a choice of the grain, the feed, the pellets, and it kind of gives you a way of polling your students or giving them a quiz to see if they understand the material you're presenting. Again, you can choose where to display your poll in the presentation video by clicking and dragging on it. You can display it like the very first to get an assessment in the beginning, or you can do it at the end and have an assessment at the end to see if they understood the material. After you've finished getting your clips the way you want them and presenting all the video content and the text and the images, you want to preview. Say we haven't titled our story yet, so when we finish this, we'll go back and title the story. The story of chickens. You see I made a mistake, so I can just go back there, put that space in there, and there it is. So you can preview it, and then you go up to the file and you save it, and it'll be saved in your box for you to view at a later date. Once you have finished and you click done, you go up to lessons, and it brings up all the lessons that you've done. And then you want to share your lessons. You can share them with your students by giving them the link or embedding the code or sharing on Facebook. So it gives you several different options to share. Congratulations, you have now created your first Metta video. This is one good tool you can use to help flip your classrooms. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video.